Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use trading 212. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply first of all create an account. So you can go to their official website or you can get their free app on Google Play Store or the App Store, and after you install it you're gonna have the option to open an account. So basically here you can start investing, as you can see, with zero commissions. You can earn money, as you can see here, interest, and then here you can find all the stocks available. And if I'm not wrong, you can also trade cryptocurrencies, but mostly this is used for stocks. So you're gonna have to simply open an account and then you can simply start buying different stocks without any commissions. As you can see here, you have the app, and then click on buy, choose how many shares, as you can see, and then simply review, and then click on send buy order, and after that you basically have the stock. So that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching, guys.